Wow, just look at this place. It's an explosion of colors, smells, and sounds, filled with friendly faces. Today, I'm on a mission to find the perfect souvenirs for my friends and family. But I'm also here for more than just shopping. I want to connect with the local culture, learn new things, and meet the people who make this place so special. I absolutely love markets like this. You don't just walk in, grab something, and leave. You explore, you talk to the vendors, you ask questions, and sometimes, you bargain. Bargaining is when you politely discuss the price of an item to see if you can get it for a little less. It's not about being pushy or rude. Here, it's a part of the culture. It's a friendly exchange built on respect, smiles, and a bit of fun. Let's give it a try. Hello, good morning. These wooden animals are beautiful. What are they made of? They're carved from local wood, all by hand. Wow, that's incredible. I love this little elephar. The detail is amazing. Did your brother make this one? He did. That's so special. I really like it. How much is it? $20. It's gorgeous, but that's a little more than I was hoping to spend. Would you be willing to accept 15? No? Okay, I understand. $18 as a final price. That sounds very fair. Deal. I'll take it. Thank you so much. That first experience was so lovely. The vendor was so kind, and I absolutely adore my little elephant. But I still have a few more gifts to find. Let's keep exploring. Oh, wow. These scarves are stunning. Thank you. Are they all made by hand? I love this one. Is it cotton? 100% cotton, made in the local village. It feels so soft. This would be perfect for my mom. How much is this one? $25. It's beautiful, but I am on a tight travel budget. Would 15 be possible? No. I can do 20. That's still a little high for me. How about 18? 18 is good, just for me. Deal. Thank you so much. I know my mom will love it. 2 souvenirs down. 2 wonderful stories to go with them. Each one feels special because of the connection with the person who made it. I just need one more small thing from my friend Lily. She loves bracelets and handmade jewelry. Let's see what we can find. Hi there. These bracelets are so lovely. All these beautiful colors. Did you make them yourself? You make them at home in the evenings with beads, thread, and love. That's amazing. This one is so pretty. The turquoise is my favorite color. It feels really well made. You made it last week, and the pattern is inspired by traditional designs from your village. That makes it even more special. It would be perfect for my friend Lily. She loves unique jewelry. How much is it? $12? I love it, but I'm trying to stick to my travel budget. Would you consider $9? A little low. How about 10? And you'll wrap it nicely for me? You've got a deal. Thank you. It's perfect. I really appreciate that you made it by hand. Thank you for putting it in this little bag. It was lovely meeting you. 3 souvenirs, 3 kind people, and so many beautiful moments. I didn't just shop today. I connected, I laughed, and I learned. That's the real magic of traveling with an open heart. Now, let's quickly review some of the useful words we used today. These are phrases you'll hear all the time when you're traveling and shopping. First up, souvenir. That's a small item you buy to remember a trip. Next, bargain, to politely discuss the price. Remember, The goal is to find a fair price that works for both you and the vendor, who is the person selling the goods. Many items in markets are handmade, meaning they're not made by a machine, which makes them unique. And if you buy something as a gift or present, you can ask the vendor to wrap it for you. Finally, if the price is a bit high, you can politely say, "I'm on a small travel budget." It's a great way to explain your situation. What a wonderful day at the market. I found some beautiful gifts, practiced my bargaining skills, and learned so much. Now it's your turn. Have you ever gone souvenir shopping in another country? Did you try bargaining? Share your story in the comments below. I'd love to read it. And don't forget to practice today's phrases. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more adventures, and share it with a friend. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.